Hello, this is Nancy, and I'm here, and I want to introduce week 2 of Child Development 350 Summer School. And I want to begin by saying how much I've enjoyed interacting with some of you on the forums. It's been really fun. I think some of the groups are doing an absolutely outstanding job. There's a couple groups I'm a little worried about, and I want to encourage you to get on more often and interact more often, because that way you can get better feedback from me, and you can you can have more understanding of the information you're discussing. So I'd like to encourage you to do at least 3 different times a week of posts and to work a little more interactively. But again, I want to say I think for week 1 it's been a really successful week. So for week 2, here's what we're going to do for week 2, and I just want to quickly go through it and so that you can see and understand the topics. We're going to have 4 topics this week: the development of learning and intelligence, cognitive development, information processing, and language development. Now, during a regular semester, I would not have these 4 topics together. There's a lot of information in these 4 topics, but they're really exciting and great chapters. Are some of my favorites. So let's go down and look at week 2 to make sure that we're all clear on what assignments are due this week. First, and please don't forget this, you have a quiz due. You will be taking a quiz 1, which will be open Thursday at noon and closed Saturday at noon, and it will not be open any other time. You get 2 tries and only 2 tries. They're random questions, so you probably won't get the same questions on each try. The quiz is on chapters 1 through 7, pages 2 through 245 in the text. The quiz is only on text material, this quiz. So please be ready for that. Also, you will have on Tuesday the 29th by 11:59, you need to upload your thesis statement for your individual presentation. So each one of you does this individually. Then we will go into there will also be the topic online synthesis. I've done them a little differently because some of you couldn't find the links last week, so I put them on the main page. There will be 4 parts to the topic synthesis. Again, they're on the 4 areas: development of learning, cognitive development, information processing, and language development. And then, as with last week, you will have a forum. And again, I'd like to encourage you to post more often than on just one day. You must post at least twice on each part of the post. So this last week, week 1, you should have had at least 6 posts because there were 3 parts. And then the person in your group who uploads your final question, that will be again due. And of course, you will have a glossary word due like you did this week. And in addition, because there's a quiz this week, there will be a review session, and that is this 350 online review through Elluminate. So it's under step 7. This review session will be from 5:30 to about 6:30. This Tuesday night, again the 29th. There will also be some printed information that you can look at. The review section should be recorded like the introduction was recorded. Then the quiz, as I mentioned, and then your reading assignments for next week, and then an extra movie if you want to watch another movie. So again, welcome to week 2, and boy, this goes fast because you'll be almost halfway through at the end of this week. So keep up the good work, and I will be around this week. If you need me, email me or chat online or ask questions here.